So idea I already told you. I want to work on the breathing. So I'll choose slow hand movement with the breathing of this.
同时呢，我们结合一些简单的提示来辅助我们的呼吸达到这个作用。
This breathing movement you already know.
我们的动作呢，基本上大家已经学过了。
Inhale, stretch, exhale, bring it back. You know
呼到的时候呼，应该学过这个是吧？
First, there is new one person.
慢慢的我们来
We'll say inhale,
吸，
stretch,
越多的往前拉伸，
bring it back, release. So that is normal. But here we'll work on the obesity, fat reduction. I use fast breathing.
我们待会儿结合这个动作会用更快的呼吸啊。
Any one of you, if you feel giddy, you immediately stop that and sit down for some time.
因为这个会涉及到更多的二氧化碳的呼出啊，吸入有可能会造成氧气不足。如果说感觉到头晕的话，就马上坐下，
That lady can do slowly and less.
可以慢慢的做啊，不一定说速度快就是好的，适合自己的啊，一定要
It's
慢
like this.
根据自己的情况。
5 counts each. 5 counts each.
我们每一次基本上是往前往后都是5次的呼，5次的吸。
You can rest in between.
正常呼吸，把手放在胸前，调整稍微的向上一点啊。
You continue. Relax.
放松，
Focus on your breathing.
注意自己的呼吸，
Some changes happening in your mind at the back of your mind.
感受到我们大脑的一些放松，感觉到我们潜意识方面的
Can you
放松，
notice your heartbeat is increasing?
我们的心跳会达到一点点的增加。
Why? Because you are throwing more carbon dioxide from your lungs outside.
因为我们将氧气的吸入和二氧化碳的呼出进行了加速，循环加快了，心跳就会跟着加快。
It will create a little dry environment in your body.
我们的身体呢，会有一种干燥的那种温暖的这样的一个环境。
Body chemicals changes in a such a way that body wants to do something for this sudden change in internal oxygen and carbon dioxide.
身体这是自然的对这种呼吸的造成的这种稍缺氧的一种状态做出一个自然的反应，
So it starts burning fat.
让我们的心跳加速，达到温度的上升，
To convert more fat into glucose.
让更多的脂肪变成热量去支撑我们的身体。
And the last one.
我们最后一次。
Start again.
好，再一次，
I feel lazy.
这就有点
Start. I'm only throwing the breath from nose. Like this.
就更注意的是呼，
Because I practice too much of breathing techniques, silent secret techniques. My breathing is very. I can do this for a long time.
因为老师他的呼吸练得非常多，他基本上呼出来的气需要更大量的氧气输进才行。就是说，老师在呼这一关时候可能会非常的用力，所以说老师不能做这么久。
You do slowly, as much as you are comfortable.
好，我们慢慢的加入呼吸，舒服的做这个动作。
Start.
开始。 下。
Sit down.
跪下。
Do you feel any change in the body from here upwards?
能感受到我们身体上部分比下部分有一些的不一样，从这儿到能感受到。
Can you feel at least one drop of little sweating?
有没有流汗？
You sit on chair, no problem. I don't want you to strain.
如果说你这个拉伸的动作是吧？
I know that you are strain. We are all used to it. We are not used to it. Exercise. So
可以
we
说
want
是
you to use
选
chair.
择一些轻松点的。
Do you have any specific problem? Neck, back pain, and other things?
你的脊椎、肩还有其他地方有没有说脊椎突出这些类别的骨髓问题？
Back pain. Yes. Which one of them?
好，我们做一两个旋转的。
I want to give a little break because I want your body to recover from this challenge which you have given by breathing.
因为我们平时对呼吸的这种强烈的训练比较少所以说身体要说一下子适应好，你休息一下去恢复。
This is very secret technique of few. It's not just one technique. There are few techniques. It's one of the technique of Tibetan monks where they can sit naked in any snow place absolutely without getting cold by just working on the breathing and the mind.
在印度呢，或者说在很多地方有那种冰人挑战，就是在很冷的地方就是赤身的那种，其实而且还不动就是这种方法以呼吸、以大脑的思维的结合来达到体温的升高。
It's the first ever research conducted in medical field is monks will sit with cold ice dipped cover and they cover their body.
我们现在有一些冰人挑战赛，就是自己直接整个围在冰里面，不能动，用此来通过呼吸。
They generate body heat here up, this place, from head till the chest area, and that cold covering will become steam.
因为我们人最重要的部位就是心脏、大脑。那种冰桶挑战赛的人呢，他就会把热量集中在这个区域，让这个部分的冰呢会得到一定的融化，然后呢不会说造成这些部位的损伤，它才能够坚持更久的时间。那么我们相似的是在集聚我们的温度然后呢脂肪其实不一定是说练腰就是瘦腰有些时候你练的是心脏，那么心脏的跳动带动了很多地方的温度的增加，然后呢造成了我们脂肪的一些减脂的作用。
Some abdominal technique. There they lie down.
对于我们的腹部的一个锻炼方法，
Bend their legs, turn like this. First one time, their head turn towards right and their legs turn towards in this.
待会儿这个动作可能就是相当于我
For
们
now, we will do. For you, you should do it on your own with this breathing technique.
于是就是弯过来。
I'll show you. If somebody wants to come, then I can show you. I'm not good in. You are lying down like this.
先躺下，
You fold your legs, lift like this, and head like this.
手这样子，
This exclusively, my focus is on
这
upper
就
body.
是完完全全的注意到了我们的腹部。
What you are making your elbow
我们待会儿
the
和我
toes.
们的
You'd
手
like
指
to make an
往
alignment like this.
同一个方向转，这样子转，这样子转。
This.
如果说脊椎有毛病的，可以换一种方法。
It's easy, lazy technique of mind to reduce weight.
其实仰卧起坐呢，比这个办法更剧烈一点，但是这个方法其实也能够。
So my movement for the patients is,
腹部，
I'll say you work on the upper body, I work on the lower body.
你就注意你的上半身都行了，他帮你弄下半身。
No, not lifting. You're coming like
你
this.
不需要往上，你就左右动，左右动，不需要往上，就左
If
右。
you're coming like this,
halfway，你就感觉你的腰是在往左边。
Your angle of movement is like this, yes?
你就注意你的手肘，你就感觉
Not
你的
too
手
much.
肘在引导
Okay,
你，
see this?
不用你的腰去引导你，用你的手
So
肘。
say both of us right. Say right.
先想右，
One.
一，
Center.
然后左
Left.
中
Center.
间，
Right.
右，中
Center.
间，左
Left.，
中间，
Right.
右，中间。
Left. We'll do this 40 times.
你们做40次左右。如果说腰部比较疼痛的，可以简单这样子就行了，这样就行啊，不用
She can do some 10 times. No problem.
这样子有一定的支撑，有一定的支撑。脚和手是同一方向。脚和手是同一方向
You。should do it very slowly. All focus should be on the abdomen.
这个就是减腹部，减腹
In
部。
between, take rest.
动作是这样子的，你是注意手肘，手这边，这边对的是手肘，不是腰，然后你的脚，慢慢拍，这样，对，不是你的腰往上，是手肘往上。注意的是自己的手肘，不是腰往上，而是手肘在往左右的感觉。
Ask her. You try this. In between again, take rest like this. Again do it.
做一次，
So you will do this. Now you will be doing with the breathing. For her is plain. For you it's with breathing.
其他的人呢，如果说能做到，就还可以加入呼吸。
Will you be able to do?
能加入呼吸的就加，不能加的就正常呼吸。
You see the difference? You work on the breathing will help you a little bit with the legs.
如果说我的呼吸加入了，效果会更明显。
用眼不见吗？
No, pelvis should not be moved. Pelvis is constant. You are only moving this.
按小时起吧，不用动，可以不用动。
Relax.
好，放松。
Do you feel pain in your abdomen?
能感受得到我们腹部会比较明显的疼痛感。
Yes.
Just one technique. I used this first time in a very huge lady. She is absolutely scared of yoga asanas because she cannot even sit. Her tummy is so big.
因为仰卧起坐的话，这个动作就不可能，对于那种腹部非常大的人，所以说干脆就左右不用向上，这是对于锻炼腹部的一个，可以说对于那种特别肥胖的人的一个唯一的办法锻炼腹部。
And because of that fat lady, I designed this technique of working with the breathing and the simple body movement.
就是因为那个很肥的女士，她不能做仰卧起坐，然后呢，她就只能通过左右的移动，然后呼吸的加入来锻炼腹部。
So secret here what I'm giving is work on the breathing fast. Choose any simple asanas which you want.
其实这个今天老师讲课的很多的原理就是 简单的动作加入呼吸就能够达到减肥的效果。
I'll teach some 4 asanas for her. Let her keep doing. I'll come back to you again.
然后呢，可以教一些简单动作给你，然后加入呼吸。
Let me sit like this.
先像这样子做，像这样子做，
Mamanda. Left hand on the right.
慢慢的，左手在右
Right
脚上，
hand at the back.
右手在左手在右脚上，左手在右脚上，
And slowly turn.
慢慢的转，慢慢
Go back.
慢慢的转，一直是慢慢
Wait for about 5 seconds.
然后
Again
转
turn
回来
like
慢
this.
下，转回来慢下，转回来慢下，这样子坚持。
Okay, that is for her slow movement. Let her do 10 times. After that, she has to split legs and keep doing like this again.
这样子。
You see, you just see what we are doing, but you should keep doing this. You see us, but you just keep doing this for about 10 times.
如果在后面的动作当中，你觉得那些动作你不能做的，就做这个。
Okay. Others will do fast movement with this breathing.
我们待会儿呢，其他的人加入呼吸，还要速度快一些的做。
You start, you do, keep doing.
你继续，这种
We'll start like this.
我们可能会加入呼吸，像这样子。
Focus on your abdomen. See my voice.
腹部
My voice changes so much because there is some changes in my body because of the change in the breathing.
因为我们老师的呼非常用力，所以说他的体位得到了很大的变化。
Let your legs
分开，转，转，转，转，转，转，转，转，
slow down,
慢下来，
relax.
放松以后。
Can you feel some changes in your abdomen?
腹部有没有加热的感觉？
Now
Yes.
we'll do
you feel pain？
abdomen or
肚子还是背？
those are okay. That's
肚
good.
子是对的，肚子对的。
It means that your body's requirement is increasing and body wants your muscles to get tired fast.
因为我们这个呼吸就是说，本来实际上意思就是供氧不足的情况下，让你的肌肉很快的就累了，肌肉累了之后就只能靠肥肉了，然后就是更多的在运动肥肉。
Next practice is Bhu Namana. Bhu means earth. Namana means salutation. When you bow down and you say namaste to each other, like that we are bending down and saying namaste to earth. And this
这个动作跟我们中国里面的问好一个意思我们这个只不过这个问好是向地球问好，然后
okay.
这种感觉
Main work is around hip joint and abdomen.
我们的动作的要领或者锻炼的部位是臀部。
Don't expect me to stretch like this. Don't mind me.
因为老师的解释就是说应该不会很延伸，当然尽量根据自己的情况啊。
Get up slowly.
起，慢慢的转身，朝下，
Focus on your abdomen.
注意我们的腹部，回来，
For that lady, it's only this much.
你的话就
Only this much. Get up.
好
Twist.
转弯，
For that lady.
only little bit. 起转，
Okay, others you can do fast. Only for
有
her
背痛吗？
slow.
在这个动作过程当中有背痛吗？那
Don't do much exercise because it works. It needs hand support.
因为这些动作都需要手支撑啊，所以说你慢慢的做，不要说比较快，慢慢的做。
Others will do fast. You are busy already.
其他的人就快点，有没有头晕的感觉？因为这个动作会更加的收缩氧气。好，开始继续跟着老师。哎，好，继续。转，转，转，转，转。